noodle food, I think is one translation of it. One of the ways I forgot that she taught me to check the other way, 10cm rule, or put a chopstick in and see if bubbles come up from your chopstick. I don't know if you can see that, but oh yeah, that's right. And the way to do this safely, right, you take it off the heat and you put the chilies in it. You can see that's fine, but it's not splattering up. Can you see that? Right, and then you just leave it. That's all you need to do. The smell is great, it's nutty, and once you left it, the taste is really nutty because you've got the seeds frying nicely, but not burning. And the oil comes out a lovely, vibrant red quite often, depending on how much of the crushed chilies you put in it. Yeah, there's variations of what people do with this, right? This, I've used a lot of oil. It's coming with that because this is just a raw condiment you put on things, or you can like add it to something else, to some noodles or some kind of sauce. You know, we'll have a go another kind of noodle sauce with more in it. Yeah, spring onions and garlic, you know, ginger, you know, Szechuan pepper. You don't need to put a lot in these things to get the flavour. Yeah, soy sauce, vinegar. You know, you can use the rice wine as well, which gives it a wonderful depth. You don't need a lot in this. It can be very complex anyway. Let's have a look at that. It's still bubbling away. It's still bubbling away a bit. I really want to pick this up just now and show it to the camera. I hope you can see it. Really good, actually. Very nutty and savoury. And I'll show you about to make a slightly more complex sauce or condiment, or just a concentrated thing to add to something else, is using the onion and other stuff in it, and especially garlic. Really, the best way to do that is in a wok. Get it hot in the same way, and then put some of these other wetter ingredients in it. If you chuck things like chilies and spring onions in that hot oil, it's got a chance it'll blow up on you. If you put it in a bowl, like you keep seeing in YouTube videos, pouring it in to that, yeah, you can do it if you know what you're doing, but please don't do that if you've never done it before. You could get hurt, you know. Now, this has cooled down enough, actually. And if you can, you've got an old glass jar, put it in that. This is an old peanut butter jar. You could just cool it right down if you wanted to. For now, I'm running out of kitchen paper. I'm going to put it in the jar now. Just like that, to save any mess or mitigate the mess. The jar's dry, so commit to it, pour it in. The jar's dry, and that is a whole big jar of chili sauce. Now, really don't like these chopsticks with these metal ends. There's no need to have these bloody metal ends on the ends of chopsticks. Always fall over when you're doing stuff. That is still very hot. I'll bring it to the camera just to show you. That is a big sauce. Beautiful, vibrant, and by accident I made exactly the right amount to fit in the peanut butter jar. This is still cold, still very hot actually. And of course, don't put the lid on it yet. Let it cool down completely. Just leave it. If you leave a lid on that, things could get a bit nasty and birdy, and you could end up with a hurty hand. Well, that's that one. Next time I do one on a bit more complex, like and describe, or even, yeah, like and describe why you like it, then subscribe, and, well, subscribe, then you would have been subscribed. Anyway, I'm rambling. Till the next time.